Hey guys, quick video on the Glock 48. If you're looking for night sights for your Glock 48, this is a good option. I got these night sights directly from Glock. They're factory Glock night sights. They got the little Glock logo on them. And they're 3-dot sights, white in the daytime and green at nighttime, very bright. And I got these sights for only $53 directly from Glock. Normally they cost $67, but I registered this for the warranty and I got a 20% discount. So they came out to $53 plus $5 shipping. What you do is you go to Glock's website. They have an online store, but they don't sell any parts for the Glock 48 on there for some reason. And what you have to do is go out and print a parts order form for non-certified armorers, and you can get that off of the Glock website. And you fill that out with the sights that you want, and then you just email it to Glock, and it takes about a week and a half for them to process the order, so don't be in a rush. The part numbers for the sights are 33-577 for the rear. They just come in this plain old plastic bag. And the front is a 33-574, and it also comes with a screw. So this is a good option if you're looking for good quality night sights for your Glock 48. And the thing about these sights are that they are the correct height for the Glock 48. According to Glock, the Glock 43 sights are not the correct height, and you'll have point of impact problems. So yeah, if you're looking for night sights for your Glock 48, these are good to check out. Thanks for watching.